Hello guys, this is Mitesh Shukla from Excellence Education and Visa here. Guys, today we'll be learning about the introductions of the graph, how to start your graph, what are the initiators of the graph. So guys, I have prepared some model answers for you. Total 6 model answers I have prepared. The initiator, the startings of the graph, that how you can initiate your graph, how you can start your graph. I have prepared the model answers for the pie graph, table graph and the line graph. It will give you a clear idea, as many of the students are having a problem in what to write down the first few lines of the graph writing. So guys, we will be learning that today. So I will give you the model answers for the line graph first. So as you can see it on your screen, you can see it a line graph. So the line graph says the details about the percentage of the total music sales by method. So as I've said to you previously also, always look at the graph in a clockwise direction. It will give you a clear idea about what is presented in the graph, and so that information you have to include in your graph writing in the starting, in the introduction. So as we can see the information on our screen. So what can be the starting of this? The starting, you can say like the details of the linear plot proffers the data regarding the ways of music being sold by the various method in the time frame of 2011 to 2018. Or you can also say like demonstrated line chart furnishes the data regarding the percentage of the total music sales by methods in more than a quarter of a decade. That you can say it as a starting of your line graph. So these are the two answers. You can use it or you can take an idea from. Now on your screen there is a one more graph, which is a table graph. As you can see the details of the table graph: sales by category, accessories by clothing and components, and on the left side of it the years are given, 2001, 2, 3, 4, and the total is given to you. So what can be the starting of this? The starting can be: looking at the scenario of the tabular format furnishes information regarding the sales by category in the time frame of from 2001 to 2004 and totaling as well. Or you can also say like proffered tabular format presents data regarding the sales by category of accessories by clothing and components in 4 different years and the totaling as well. Several trends are being noticed in the graph. So that can be your starting of this table graph. Now coming down to the pie chart, as you can see it on your screen, the 2 pie charts are being allocated to you, and it says like a main reason for migration to and from the UK in the year 2007. So 6 different aspects are being given to you, or the 6 different reasons are being allocated to you. So how you can start your graph? You can start like 2 furnished pie charts defines the facts about percentage of the people to and from UK for 6 various reasons. There are several scenarios been noticed in the pictorial format. Or you can also say like the pictorial format explicate data regarding people to and fro from UK for the 6 various scenarios. Several trends are been apparent in the graph. So this can be the starting of your pie graph. So guys, I hope you find this video informative, and in the next videos also I will giving you some more details and the introductions about the different type of charts like a process chart and the bar graph and the other multiple graphs also. So guys, do share these videos with your friends, and thanks for watching this.